Hello and welcome to the channel guys. So today in this video we're gonna talking the top 10 most expensive shopping malls in the world. Those days were gone when the shopping were just place to shop, but now you can go shopping mall where you can get everything in one place, like cinema for entertainment, most amazing retail store for shopping, amazing restaurant for food, kids activities and game and many more. In this video we're gonna talking the top 10 most expensive jaw-dropping shopping malls and what they cost. So let's get started. In number 10 in our list here comes Siam Paragon, Bangkok, Thailand. Siam Paragon is one of the largest shopping mall in Asia. It cost around $350 million to construct it. It is the Thailand's world-class best shopping destination. It contains the theme park, art gallery, exhibition area, 5-star hotel, 16-screen cineplex, and it has Siam Ocean World, which is the largest aquarium in Southeast Asia. In number 9 in our list, here it comes the Trafford Centre, London. The Trafford Centre is the largest indoor shopping centre in England. It was opened on 1998. It was cost around $778 million to build it. The mall attracts the 35 million visitors each year. The Trafford Centre is the third largest shopping center in United Kingdom. In number 8 in our list here comes Waqf Mall, Dubai. It's designed like a pyramid that attracts the visitors. It is one of the most beautiful shopping centers in the world. The mall includes luxury brand retail stores, world-class 5-star hotel, restaurants, residents and nightclub. The Waqf Mall full of fun and delights. Of course, there's a theme park. There are snow park, widescreen cineplex also. In number 7 in our list here comes the Mall of Emirates, Dubai. It has over 2.5 million square feet shopping space, 630 international brand stores, 5-star hotels and the mall full of luxury goods with over world's most 80 renowned brands. The Mall of Emirates full of fun includes the theme park, indoor skydiving, theater with 14-screen VOH cinema, snow park and Magic Planet family entertainment area. In number 6 in our list here comes SM, the Mall of Asia, Philippines. The Mall of Asia is one of the most beautiful and largest shopping mall in Bay City, Philippines. It has 2.5 million square foot. Even it is the 4th shopping mall in the world. The mall includes San Miguel, Coca-Cola, IMAX theater with 8 stores, big screen, which is the best movie zone, world-class hotel, luxury retail shop, Olympic ice scissoring, science discovery center with 11 theme rooms. In number 5 in our list here comes the Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall is the second largest shopping mall in the world. It cost around $20 billion to construct it. It's part of downtown complex. It has 1200 shops, 120 restaurants and it has also Cineplex with 22 screens, which is largest Cineplex in Dubai. The Dubai Mall attracts 54 million visitors and it generates 144 million annual revenue. It contains theme park Sega, which is largest theme park in Dubai, and it has world's largest aquarium where you can see 33,000 sea creatures. In number 4 in our list here comes Mall of America, USA. Mall of America is the largest shopping in the United States. It cost an estimated $630 million to construct it in 1992. After further investment and expansion costing $325 million, it generates almost $2 billion annual revenue, $1 billion for the state of Minnesota. The Mall of America welcomes nearly 40 million visitors around the world. In the Mall of America includes lot of fun like amusement park, cinemas, under a roller coaster, theme park, dinner theater, indoor wave pool, etc. It contains a world-class hotel, luxury brand, retail stores, casinos. The Mall of America is so big that it has its zip code. There are 12,550 parking spots and it has 1.2 million gallon aquarium where you can see sea creatures. In number 3 in our list here comes West Edmonton Mall, Alberta, Canada. West Edmonton Mall is the largest shopping in North America. It cost around $1.2 billion to construct this mall. It was the world's largest shopping in the world until 2004. It has over 800 retail shops. The mall full of fun delight includes world-class hotel, theater, luxury brands, retail store, casino, food park, world's largest amusement park, Galaxyland, even world's largest indoor wave pool. In number 2 in our list here comes Berjaya, Times Square, Malaysia. Berjaya Times Square is the largest shopping mall in Malaysia. It was cost nearly about $450 million to construct it. It has over 1,000 retail stores. It contains a luxury hotel, luxury retail brand stores, food park, amusement parks, indoor roller coaster, grand musical staircase. Moreover, the theme park, which is the largest in Malaysia. In number 1 in our list here comes Westfield, London, England. Westfield Shopping Mall is the largest shopping in London. It was built by Westfield Group at the cost of $2.5 billion. Westfield was opened on 30 October 2008 and it became the largest retail store in London. After further investment and expansion, with the costing $840 million, the mall became largest shopping centers in Europe in March 2018. The Westfield welcomes nearly 2.6 million visitors and it generates more than $12 billion in annual revenue. Its investment and expansion has made this Westfield one of the best shopping malls in the world. So these are the list of top 10 most expensive shopping malls in the world. So if you find this video interesting and helpful to you, do share this video with your friends and family, and please like this video and do subscribe to the channel for more interesting stuff like this. So see you guys in the next video. So till then, bye.